Today, I'm going to be showing you some social media best practices in relation to Booksy. Now let's start by looking at the Book Now button. This is a Facebook page we have here where you can see the Book Now button at the top. If you click this, it will take you straight through to the business page that the Book Now button is linked to. This is also the same with Instagram, the Book Now button here. It will take you straight through to that same page where you can book in any service that you like. Alternatively, you can add a subdomain link into your bios. Now, a subdomain link is a direct link to your public profile. You can get this by going onto the Booksy Biz app, going into connectors and widgets, and finding it there. It is also important to post as often as you can, typically 1 to 2 times a day. This is to ensure you stay on top of the Instagram algorithm and get the most exposure to your followers. You can get more content by using our social post creator feature within the Booksy Biz app. This is what the social post creator looks like, where you can choose either one of these. You can customize the background using one of our templates, or uploading your own picture, as well as customizing text, or again using one of our own. You can then post these straight through to any social media platform that you like.